Yes, we'll be cooking our goat meat. As you can see, this original goat with the kanda. Hey, goat meat, you too much. You see, I don't cook goat meat be that fresh one. As you see am like that, now goat meat I don't cut and they put am for pot wey I wan cook okra soup. Hey, my people, goat meat dey sweet too. Who say e dey chop goat? You dey make mistake. The original goat, it dey get a smell like say dey Africa na. A poor man. Guys, na either I dey say I go put am for I just dey move water because I wan just cook am like that. My people, if you chop goat meat even for soya, e dey sweet. Na either I say I don move all water. Quinta wine dey for a kitchen, I dey put salt. No put salt plenty o. Salt no fine for body too much. Na dry pepper that I dey put. Look am. Na dry Quinta, you put dry pepper. E dey sweet o. After I go put fresh pepper, guys, no worry, una like fresh pepper plenty. Na garlic, dry one. Okay, dry one. You do well, Dey play the show. Guys, one dey cook am with the okra. I want to prepare okra soup. Very delicious. Omo, we already get our shaki for here. We dey wait make good enter, make the fire just dey boil. And then wetin we get again for here? We get our already boiled food cow. Then the other things go come like dry fish, any other thing. Yes, take care of yourself. Just dey see as I dey cut the meat. I get for cut am for division of labor. Division of labor get for start. Okay, my people. We go the division of the labor. We don't turn a busher now. We go the busher am. Busher for all the sorts of life. Go the busher. You see am like this. Winter wine the busher. Queenie the busher. You don't understand. Make a look what other place they shine past this that one. It shine. Voila. You dey see I'm fine. Yes, una know say to be content creator, e no easy na. Today, anyhow, guys, we go dey cut am. You go forget this kind knife, so that you go dey cut the meat. You dey hear smell for goat. As you just start dey cut am like this, you dey do. I dey do division of labor. I know I made some person chop pass some person. You don't understand. If e too big now, no be everybody like big meat. If your own, you dey cut am for your house, e dey big. Now this kanda go stay for pot. So I go put am for pressure pots with the shaki one time, so that the shaki everything will be done accordingly. You know say anything get time. You understand? Anything get time.